Imagine creating videos without being on camera, yet still speaking directly to your audience. Or having a virtual spokesperson that mimics your expressions, voice, and gestures. Today, I'll show you how to do this with AI Studios, a tool that makes creating lifelike AI videos easy. Introduction. AI Studios simplifies video creation, making it realistic and easy. Think of it as a digital studio where you can create AI avatars, customize scripts, and add effects without advanced skills or equipment. Let me show you how to use AI Studios to make your videos more engaging and professional. Let's dive in and explore its powerful features. Custom Avatar. Let's start with the Custom Avatar feature. Click on the link in the description to go to the AI Studios website. If you don't have an account yet, just click on the Start Creating button. I am using Google to create an account. Okay, now we are on Dashboard. Navigate the main menu and click on AI Avatars. Now, click on Create Avatar. First, you need to record a short video of yourself. Make sure you have good lighting and speak naturally. This helps the AI capture your expressions accurately. I'll use this video as a demo.
Artificicy AI. Subscribe to us to watch more videos.
Next, upload the video to AI Studios Custom Avatar section. Fill in the information about your video and avatar, then click Confirm My Video. The AI will analyze your movements and voice to create a digital version of you. Once it's processed, you'll have an avatar ready to speak, gesture, and even show your unique expressions in your videos. Enter your script here and click Export to see the magic. Let's watch it.
Hi, we are making our real digital avatar from DeepBrain AI tool, so watch till the end.
Amazing, right? You can also enhance your video with these tools. Change the avatar model, add text, captions, and media, upload your own photos and videos, icons, and shapes. This feature is perfect if you want to add a personal touch without being on camera each time. Photo Avatar. Next, we have the Photo Avatar feature. This allows you to create an avatar by uploading an image. Navigate to the Avatar section from the main menu and click on Photo Avatar. Upload a clear photo of yourself or choose from the avatar library. I'll pick this one. Click Apply Avatar. You can change your avatar's orientation to fit your needs. Click Create Project. AI Studios will automatically generate a realistic avatar that can speak and move. Enter your script and click Export to see the magic. Let's watch it.
Hi, we are making our real digital avatar from DeepBrain AI tool. So watch till the end.
Just like with the custom avatar, you can make your video amazing with these tools. Add text, captions, media, and more to make your content stand out. Text-to-speech video creation. One of the most impressive aspects of AI Studios is its text-to-speech video creation. Here, you simply write out your script, and the avatar will speak it naturally. This makes it perfect for tutorials, presentations, or educational content. First, go back to the AI Studio dashboard. Just click here and enter your topic idea. A YouTube explainer video about how Pluto was discovered. Now click on the filters option to enhance your video. You can choose your desired filters. Now click on the Generate button and just wait for the magic. Just click on the Export button, and AI Studio will process it, creating a seamless, professional video with your avatar delivering the message. Let's watch it.
Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the fascinating story of how Pluto. It all started in the early 20th century when astronomers were on the hunt for a mysterious ninth planet beyond Neptune. That's right. It was actually discovered by an amateur astronomer named Clyde Tombaugh. Now, here's a question that might pop into your mind. How did Clyde Tombaugh manage to find Pluto in the vastness of space? Now, here's a little controversy for you. In 2006, the International Astronomical Union controversially redefined the definition of a planet.
And that's a wrap. AI Studios is an incredible tool for creating high-quality, engaging video content. Whether you're a content creator, educator, or just someone who loves making videos, this tool has something for everyone. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.